Elon Musk is a well-known inventor, entrepreneur, and visionary. His enterprises, including SpaceX and Tesla, have transformed their respective industries and raised the bar for innovation. His most recent project, the development of TruthGPT, aims to transform the way we consume information and improve the quality of internet communication. TruthGPT is a language model that is built on the same GPT-4 technology as ChatGPT. The fundamental difference between the two models is the reason for their development. While ChatGPT is designed to assist users with a range of tasks, TruthGPT is designed to discover and filter out misinformation, propaganda, and fake news on the internet. Musk founded TruthGPT in response to his concern about the growing amount of misinformation and fake news on the internet. He believes that the internet has turned into a breeding ground for misinformation, which is harmful to society. The fact that social media platforms have become a primary source of news and information for many individuals exacerbates the situation. These platforms' algorithms frequently favor sensational and clickbait content, which might contribute to the spread of incorrect information. The basic goal of TruthGPT is to help individuals identify between correct and erroneous information. It analyzes text using a combination of natural language processing and machine learning techniques to identify patterns that indicate incorrect or misleading information. The system is trained on a massive dataset of validated data, which includes scientific research, news reports, and other trustworthy sources. The ability of TruthGPT to explain its conclusions is critical. When it detects erroneous or misleading content, it notifies users. This feature is crucial because it teaches people how to spot inaccurate information on their own, rather than relying on an AI model to do so. TruthGPT's ability to learn from its mistakes is another advantage. When users point out instances in which the model erred, the model adds that feedback into its training data in order to improve its accuracy over time. This feedback loop is essential for ensuring that the model improves and adapts to new sorts of misinformation. TruthGPT has enormous potential benefits. It may aid in the reduction of the transmission of fake news and propaganda by providing users with a tool for filtering out misinformation. This, in turn, may contribute to a more educated and active community in which people make decisions based on facts rather than gossip and conspiracy theories. TruthGPT, on the other hand, may entail certain risks. One worry is that the methodology will be used to stifle dissenting voices and restrict free expression. If the model is not trained on a wide range of ideas and is biased towards a single point of view, it could be used to silence legitimate criticisms and opposing views. Another worry is that the model will be hacked or used to spread false information. If bad actors find flaws in the model's algorithms, they may use them to spread misinformation and fake news on a large scale. This would represent a serious challenge to the model's trustworthiness, thereby undermining its potential benefits. Politics is one arena where TruthGPT could have a significant impact. Politicians have increasingly adopted internet avenues to promote their ideas and engage with voters since the advent of social media. However, as a result of this, fake news and propaganda have spread, which can influence election results and undermine the democratic process. By providing users with a tool to filter out false information, TruthGPT could help to reduce the impact of fake news and propaganda on political debate. This could result in better informed voters and more productive political conversations based on facts rather than emotions and misinformation. Another application for TruthGPT could be in research and medicine. With the epidemic, there has been a flood of erroneous information and conspiracy theories going around the internet. Uncertainty and mistrust have resulted, which can be hazardous to public health. By providing users with a tool for detecting truthful information, TruthGPT may help to reduce the impact of false information and conspiracy theories on public health. This could result in a better understanding of the epidemic and more effective public health interventions. TruthGPT may have commercial applications. Businesses, for example, may utilize it to ensure that their marketing materials are not misleading or false. This could help to boost customer trust and reduce the impact of misleading advertising. Finance is another potential business use. With the rise of internet trading platforms and the increasing complexity of financial instruments, there is a substantial quantity of misinformation and incorrect information circulating in the financial markets. TruthGPT may help to lessen the influence of incorrect information on financial decision-making by providing users with a tool for filtering out erroneous information. Furthermore, the introduction of TruthGPT may help to advance artificial intelligence and natural language processing. Because TruthGPT would need to be trained on massive volumes of correct data to identify misinformation and misleading claims, considerable advances in data collecting, processing, and interpretation would be required. Furthermore, TruthGPT would need to be able to respond to changes in the language and context of the information it is analyzing. This would necessitate ongoing learning and upgrading of the system, which could lead to breakthroughs in machine learning and AI in general. Of course, developing and deploying TruthGPT would not be without problems and hazards. One of the major hazards linked with the usage of AI in general is the possibility of biases being built into the algorithms. If not addressed, these biases may contribute to the persistence of current social and economic disparities or the propagation of erroneous information in specific populations. To reduce these dangers, it will be critical to guarantee that TruthGPT is created and deployed in an open and accountable manner. This could entail the formation of independent oversight committees, frequent audits of the algorithm, and the inclusion of diverse stakeholders in the development process. It will also be critical to ensuring that the data utilized to train TruthGPT is varied and representative of all cultures and perspectives. This could assist to limit the influence of biases and ensure that the algorithm is accurate and dependable for all users. It is also crucial to emphasize that the launch of TruthGPT would not be a panacea for the problem of disinformation and incorrect information. While it may help to decrease the impact of misleading claims and propaganda, it cannot address the underlying causes of these difficulties. To truly solve the problem of disinformation, it will be required to address the social, economic, and political aspects that contribute to its dissemination. This could include increasing media literacy and critical thinking abilities, promoting independent journalism, and addressing disparities in access to information and technology. Finally, the introduction of TruthGPT is a step in the right path towards establishing a more educated and involved society. However, it is only one piece of a larger puzzle, and we must continue to address the broader structural challenges that contribute to the propagation of incorrect and misinformation. Finally, Elon Musk's unveiling of TruthGPT could be a big development in the fight against disinformation and fake news. TruthGPT could assist to lessen the impact of propaganda and misleading information on our society by providing users with a tool for identifying true information and filtering out false claims. However, the creation and deployment of TruthGPT must be approached with caution and foresight. It will be critical to address the dangers and issues related with the use of AI, to guarantee that the data used to train TruthGPT is varied and representative, and to develop clear standards and restrictions for its use. Furthermore, it is critical to recognize that the launch of TruthGPT is only one piece of a larger puzzle, and we must continue to address the broader structural challenges that contribute to the propagation of false and misinformation. We can create a more just, egalitarian, and informed society by approaching misinformation from all angles. I appreciate you sticking with me until the end. To ensure that you never miss a video, kindly like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, see ya.